Hey, if you want to get iPhone keyboard layout on your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to open the Google Play Store. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and from here you will have to navigate into the green Apple keyboard. So we have to type this phrase and get this application. It's free, you don't have to pay for it. And now just wait for the downloading process. After a few seconds, you will be able to enjoy the layout of iOS devices on your Realme. Now tap to enable in the settings. From here, click on the switcher of the green Apple keyboard and tap to activate. Now just go back and tap on the switch input methods and switch to the green Apple keyboard, and then tap to finish. From here, as you can see, we've got the other keyboard themes, so we can change between the light, dark, red, blue, or military green. And now when you open your keyboard theme, just take a look. As you can see, now we've got this iOS keyboard theme. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.